right, y'all, we're gonna show y'all how we clean this grill. We just showed y'all how we cook some burgers on here. And y'all look, we got hamburger melted on here, cheese melted on here, everything clumped up and stuff. I'm gonna show you a fast and easy way how to do this. Get your scraper. Scrape this down a little bit. See how simple that is? Now either you can wash this down the back hole, or I'll throw them in the trash can. But on the rear grease management system here, they have a hole in the back. A lot of times you can scrape this stuff and shove it in the hole. But right now, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna scrape the oil in the hole. Look at that. Now I'm gonna get some paper towels. I'll get paper towel and I'll wipe the grease down a little bit. All right. Get most of the grease off of here, the oil. Then, get me some more paper towels. I squirt it down with water. Look at that. Steam. Steam's your friend. Steam cleans, sanitizes. Once you hit it with that steam, it's good to go. Wipe it around a little bit. Get everything good and clean. Once you get it good and dry, this is what I like to do. Dry it off real good. Now, this whole time this thing is on. So what we're gonna do now is let it sit just a minute. Let it heat back up. Make sure there's no water in your surfaces. Okay? Once it gets good and hot, and you're 100% sure there's no water in here, just let it get hot. The water's coming out. Metal has pores in it. When it opens up, when it heats up, it opens up and lets the water out. Once you let that water out of the pores, you get your one paper towel, little one like that, squirt a little bit of oil. You don't need a pile of oil, just a little bit. Put a thin, thin, thin coat on it. Just like that. Real thin coat. Once you do that, cut your burners off, shut the lid, and walk away. And it's ready for tomorrow to cook on.